In this video, we are going to study how to create a flat lock stitch which is visible on the back side or wrong side of the fabric. So first, let us understand the structure of that particular stitch. Let me zoom. Okay. Now this is one loop. This is another loop. And we have to just join them. I think this is the basic structure that we want to create in Illustrator. So first, create a rectangle. Click to rectangle tool. Click once on the artboard and width of the rectangle will be 0.5 millimeter and height will be 2 millimeter. Click OK. This is a very tiny rectangle. We'll zoom it. Now we'll change the stroke weight, that is 0.025. Okay, and now we'll take the guidelines as based on the measurement of this particular rectangle. So this will be the dimension for one loop. Now we don't want this rectangle anymore, so I am hiding it and will lock this particular layer. Okay, let me rename it as reference or guide. We'll create a new layer on which we will be actually working. Now select text tool or type tool, click here and then press O. Let me resize it. It will be. Now here you can see that the loop is actually deflected here. So we want to use shear option here. Okay, we'll click to that type. Okay, we'll first convert the text into a shape by clicking this expand command. Okay, so we'll expand, click OK, and then object, transform, and shear. Yes, I think this much shear is okay to us. So shear angle is 355. Okay. And now we'll select this direct selection tool. We'll bring the lower end here. Yes, it's okay. And we'll bring it up here. I think this is okay. We'll just hit it. I think this is okay. And then if we see the spacing between this loop and this loop, it is around double. Or it is 2.5 times. So we will take double. For that purpose, we'll take this path once again, and then we'll select this path, we'll click to transform, and then set it to actually 4. So we have taken height of the loop as 2 millimeter, and we have taken now the spacing as 4 millimeter. Yes. So we'll again take a guideline here. We don't want that rectangle anymore. We'll hide it. Now let us select this particular loop. Press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste in front. And by using right arrow key, actually I am moving it. It's okay. Now if you see here, is just like reverse. It is just reverse in direction. Yes, you can see that it is in this way. So we have to reflect it. We have to mirror it first. Okay, so it is already selected. Click object, click transform, and then reflect. Now it should be horizontal reflection. Okay, and then again to reflect. Yes. Now the second time we will select vertical reflection. So I think we are happy with this. Now we have completed formation of two loops. Now we have to draw this particular line and this. So first let me select pen tool. I will click here. I will press shift key on the keyboard so that it will be straight. The line will be straight. I will click here. You will see that there is no color to the stroke. Let us select the black color. Okay, it is black. And then we don't want any fill to it. So I have selected none. From stroke panel, let us reduce its weight. Okay, and let us apply round here. Now select. Actually, you will see that this line is not actually a straight horizontal line. Okay, actually it is somewhat curvy. So let us first select add anchor point tool, and I think we'll click here by using up arrow key. We have nudged it up, and then by using convert anchor point tool, okay, we will give a nice shape, and then by using direct selection tool, we will bring somewhat here. Let me see here then. I think this is okay. Now I will lock this. I will create a new layer so that when I draw this particular line, this line will not get disturbed. Or we can do one thing. Even I will lock this also then, this particular place, so that it will not get disturbed. Okay, so I will delete this layer. We don't want it. We will select pen tool. Again I will click here, and second it will be here. I am again pressing the shift key. So by using direct selection tool, let us bring it here, and then by using add anchor point. Now I want to create this particularly this shape. Okay, means it is going upward, and then this way. So here we'll select add anchor point tool. Okay, we'll click here then, and then by using top arrow key, up arrow key, we organize it up, and then by using convert anchor tool, we have given that particular shape. Again, click to add anchor point. Now we click it here, okay, and then by using down arrow key, I have shifted its point. I think it's okay. We adjust. Okay, I will unblock this also. Take it away. So what we'll do that now we don't want this particular reference grid. We'll select this layer and we'll delete it. Okay. Now we'll select all the objects. We'll press Ctrl G, group them, and then actually the height of the loop is 2 mm, but in our single needle stitch brush and double needle stitch brush we have used 1 mm as the stitch length. Therefore we will reduce its size, and for that purpose let us click to this scale tool. Okay, then just reduce it by 50%. Click OK. Press Ctrl S to save it. Okay, and then let us rotate it. Select object, select transform, select rotate. Yes, it's okay. Click OK, and then open brush panel. Drag this group here. Select pattern brush. Click OK, and name of the brush will be flat lock wrong side stitch. In colorization method, let us select tint so that in future we can change its color. Okay. So we have completed the formation of flat lock stitch brush. So this is one method. We can do some experiments also here. So let us select all these objects. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Okay, and then again Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Now select this particular object. Okay, we'll find the center of it. Actually what we are doing now, we are defining our one repeat. Okay, let it be here. Let us click here. Okay, and then we'll select rectangle tool, define one repeat. Okay, now we don't want any fill. Okay, and we don't want any color to the stroke also. So this particular rectangle is without any fill and without any stroke color. So we'll select selection tool, we'll right click, we'll select arrange, and we will send it to back. From layer panel, we will select these guides, we'll delete them, we don't want them now, and then we'll select all the objects on the artboard, we'll press Ctrl G to group them, and then we'll open the brush panel, we'll move it here. Okay, select pattern brush. Okay, and here the name will be lock wrong side stitch, and this is new. Again in colorization method, select in, click OK, and now click to view, click to hit artboard in window. Actually the shortcut key is Ctrl 0. Okay, now let us see whether brushes are working or not. Let us select pen tool, and we have drawn one particular line. Okay, but that line has no stroke. Okay, let us apply black color to it. We'll select it, we'll Ctrl C, we'll press Ctrl C, Ctrl F to create a copy of it. Okay, and now we'll select the first line and we'll apply this flat lock wrong side stitch, and here we will apply this. Let us zoom. So this is how these stitches appear. I think this particular stitch will not appropriate them. In this way, we have successfully completed creation of flat lock wrong side stitch in Adobe Illustrator.